Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica and this is my kitchen. Today I am not canning, I'm actually mixing up some laundry washing detergent. I made a previous video and I said that I would come back and tell you if I like it. And let me tell you, I really like it. So I'm going to mix it for you again today so you can see it, but I highly recommend doing this. Saves me a lot of money. And also, I mean, for goodness sakes, this laundry detergent takes the stink out of teenage boy clothes, and I didn't even think that was possible. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have found the easiest way to mix this is I take 2 trash bags and I put them together to double line it. And I'm going to pour all of my ingredients into these trash bags and then kind of roll it, and that helps to mix it the easiest. So to start out with, I have some Ariel washing powder, and I've used other washing powders too, so find one that you like that works for you. This one is very inexpensive and it works for me. Next, I have a box of Biz. This is a stain fighter. It's been around forever and I really like it. I also have a box of washing soda. This is by Arm & Hammer, but there's other washing sodas. Just find one that works for you. It is different than regular baking soda. Then I have some Zote Flakes. I think that's how you say it. I don't know for sure. I buy the flakes. That way I'm not having to spend an hour grating Zote. But it comes in a bar too, so you could grate soap if you want to. I also have a container of Oxi Clean. Now I have some regular baking soda, that whole bag in there, and then I'm going to finish off with another bag of the Ariel washing powder, detergent washing powder. Now we are going to, as carefully as we can, get this mixed up. All right, I store mine in this tub. Now when you go to use this, I have a large capacity, high efficiency washing machine. And all it takes, this is a tablespoon. All it takes for a full load is maybe 2 of these. If it was really dirty, maybe 3 of these. It does not take much to wash your whole load of laundry. So it lasts a really long time. And it makes your clothes smell nice. And I don't have problems with stains. It really cleans very well. So let me know if you give this a try. There's lots of recipes out there for laundry washing powder. This is just what I use and what I like. Let me know what you use in the comments and what you like, or if you've tried this, let me know what you enjoy for your family. I always love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching my videos and spending time with me. Be so blessed. Know that you're loved and be a blessing to someone else. I'll see you in the next video.